Hey everyone, welcome back to Jay's How-To channel, where we're making home improvement projects fun, fast, and fabulous. Today we're tackling a game changer for your home. Are you tired of sunlight sneaking into your room when you're trying to sleep? Want to block out the light completely for a cozy dark space? Let's transform your room with a room darkening shade and curtains. In just a few easy steps, this is the project for you. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a tape measure, an L square, a screwdriver, a pencil for marking, and of course your room darkening shade and curtains. I have a link in the description for both of these items. Let's remove the horizontal or Venetian blinds. Then remove the brackets. Now, let's install the shade. Start by holding up the brackets that came with your shade. Grab your screwdriver, then screw those brackets into place. And again on the other side. Finally, snap your shade into the brackets. Now attach the faceplate. Look at that beauty. Already the room is looking cozier. But we're not done yet. Let's double up the darkness with some stylish curtains. Now for the curtain rod. Measure between 4 to 6 inches between the ceiling, because we're not just blocking light, we're declaring war on it. No more sneaky sunbeams getting through. Mark your spots 8 inches from each side of the door. I'm using an L square here. And again, measure 8 inches from the other side of the door. Use wall anchors because gravity's a thing. And install the L brackets. And again on the other side of the door. I'm folding the curtain back and forth with the steel O-rings. Slide your curtains into the rod like you're threading spaghetti through a fork at warp speed. Pop that rod into the brackets. Then tighten everything up. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And ta-da! Room darkening shades and curtains. Your ultimate weapon against light and noisy neighbors. Now your room is ready for uninterrupted beauty sleep or that midday nap you totally earned. If this video brought a little darkness into your life in the best way, give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and ding the notifications bell for more laughs and DIY help. Got questions, ideas for my next video? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep building, creating, and laughing. See you soon.